Oh, careful! Well, at least you didn't slip. Wait, what's that? A block! The final piece our minion needs! This means Gru shouldn't be too far behind. Well, one man's trash is another's treasure. Especially when it's filled with minions. Aw, they're going to a good home. Ours. These guys sure have had a busy day. Time to tuck them in for a quick nap. Let's give them time to rest up. Note to self, don't leave minions unsupervised. I can't believe they threw a party and didn't invite us. Don't worry, we know a minion's one weakness. The one, the only, banana. Just watch. Didn't I tell you? Ooh, they've even brought you a gift. A box of minions beats a barrel of monkeys any day. Uh-oh, they're stuck. Hey, it's a balloon. Now let's plop a marble inside. Next, tie a rubber band around it. Twist it up and start blowing. Now what can we turn a yellow balloon into? Like we even need to ask. It's a brand new minion. And he's no ordinary minion. He's a mega minion! What's his superpower? He's got a need to rock and roll. I wouldn't sit down there if I were you. Talk about a pain in the... never mind. Much better. Now we should really clean up the floor. This device could use some wheels. Some googly eyes wouldn't hurt either. Now it's time to clear the roads. But now it's time to take out the trash. And now you can sit to your heart's content. Hey, buddy, what have you got there? You've got chocolate all over your face. Ugh, it's stuck. Don't worry, here's something that can help. A toothbrush. It pairs really well with some toothpaste. Come on down, Mr. Minion. It's time for your cleaning. So why don't you leave the chocolate with us? Two minions jumping on the bed. One fell off. Uh-oh. How are you going to get back up? Well then, we'll just need to make you a little pick-me-up. Good thing we've stocked up on cardboard. Next, we're going to need to add some twine. We've got our own little pulley system. All we need now is something to pull. Did somebody call for a lift? Try it out. Finally, it seems like things are looking up. But nothing picks you up like a good friend. Hey, you lose your wallet? The minions got it. Wait a minute, weren't there coins in here? Okay, minion, time to cough up the copper. I know. Grab some cardboard and draw another minion. Now this is a minion you can trust with some coins. Place one on top and let it go for a ride. Looks like all the minions want to try our new bank. Do we have to separate you two? Well, maybe a new device can sort things out. Yeah, work out your stress in a little arcade game. Today, folks, it's the race of the Minion Millennium. Only one can win. Never mind, it's a tie. Aw, these minions want to see the moon. I know, let's blow up a great big balloon. But it'll need some paper mache for that cratered look. Now ditch that balloon for some fairy lights. After all, what's a moon without moonbeams? Of course, we're gonna need to build a rocket. And just like that, we're ready for liftoff. Why not make a bunch and let them hang? The moon's a pretty popular place after all. These guys sure are energetic today. Oh, careful! Uh-oh, I think they're just getting started. What they need is a distraction. Sneakers? Don't be silly. What we need is the shoebox. Make a hole, and it's a new puppet theater. So everyone, take a seat. The show's about to start. We've got everyone's favorite, shadow puppets. Let's just say the marionettes were busy. Apple, apple, who'll get the apple? Why, it's Gru! Don't like the show? Well, we can whip up some new puppets. You just need to carve out some cardboard. Now place it on top of a box with some fairy lights. Come on, let's gather around the light show. Aw, looks like someone's getting sleepy. This time, let's build you a special bed. Just take some cardboard and make it into, well, a box. With a few special additions, it becomes a brand new TV. Antennae? Guess somebody's into vintage. Sit down, the show's about to start. Ooh, looks like Sleeping Beauty. Aw, these guys could use a new bed too. We could use all these sticks to make a bed base. Add a mattress and pillow, or it'll be too hard. And life's hard enough for a minion. So many eyes! I don't think he'd miss one. Or maybe a few dozen. Some minions just have one. Next, let's poke out an eye-shaped hole. Now place the cardboard on top of the rest. Make a bunch and match the holes to the eyes. Soon you'll be making a whole bunch of faces. Careful though, this game's contagious. This place is a mess. Someone could get hurt. Such a waste of perfectly good candies. This looks like a job for a cardboard turtle. Next, grab an old toilet paper roll. We should probably give him the paper. Besides, all we need is the cardboard. It can help us sort all of this candy. Just reach out whenever you need a snack. Now we need to clear up all this paper. It's all over the place. Huh? What's going on? Silly minion, you need to get organized. Why don't we take the roll, paint it green, and fix it up. Now it's a table that'll help keep things in order. These flowers sure are pretty. Unfortunately, they're also in the way. You got that vase insured, right? Right? Well, no use crying over spilled porcelain. Besides, cardboard is much sturdier. These holes will make nice new homes for these flowers. Just need one last flower to finish the bouquet. Aw, it's lovely. But is it minion-proof? Well, it's close enough. Ah yes, the table. Mankind's last hope against monsters. But at least now you've got your own fort. Now it's starting to look like a little stage. And how cute. You've got a little window. Ah, did I say window? Make that flower. Make that flowers.
Wow!
Good idea. Netting will help keep out the monsters. What are you doing with that ribbon? Oh wow, it's like a curtain for the curtains. Hiding's kind of boring. What else can we do? These pool noodles might help. Go ahead, split them in half. Lie them down, and you've got something soft to lie on. A mop? Let's plant them up on top and give this fort a roof. Good idea. Some strong tape will help keep them in place. Still, this roof seems pretty bare. Let's cover it up. Cut an opening, and it can be a makeshift tent, too. So make sure to do this with a blanket that you can afford to lose. I wonder what we can do with these jeans next. Well, for starters, we're cutting it up. And making measurements. And don't forget to add those little touches, like some yarn and hot glue. Cut up the yarn down the middle. Look at it open up. keep on adding the yarn, and soon you'll have a cute little rug. This fort just keeps looking better and better. What more can we do? With these stickers, we can enjoy the night sky without the whole outdoors thing.
Ooh.
Turn off the lights and they also work as night lights that won't hurt your electric bill.
Oh.
What's next? Please be a TV. Oh, a basketball. A deflated basketball. Anybody out there who didn't think she'd bring out those scissors? Oh, so that's what the inside looks
Wow.
like. But what can we do with it? Now that's a creative way to dress up a houseplant. And with a plant in here, we'll just be drowning in oxygen.
Ooh.
Perfect. Let's add some toys. That's always a great idea. Yeah. Good thing all those Pop-It toys broke her fall. And now she's cutting up the buttons because, of course she is. Oh, please don't tell me she's looking for more stuff to cut up. Actually, that's pretty clever. Now it's like a little lamp. And you can hang a bunch of them in all this open air.
Oh.
But what's a sky full of stars without the whole world? Just clean it up and spruce up that handle. A globe has to look its best.
Wow.
A paint job? Now how will we learn about countries? I guess there's always the internet. Purple, black, and white. It looks like the cosmos now. And there's nothing that can't be improved by adding glitter. On the plus side, we have a place to stash all of this candy. With all this stuff, will there still be room for the rest of us? Ooh, we have some extra ribbons. Let's decorate the outside.
Bonus episode!
Time for a fun day at the park, and all our friends are here. But it doesn't look like they're going to take turns. Or anyone else here for that matter. Oh, don't cry. Maybe we can make our own fun. Or just go home and watch TV. Or take a tire from an abandoned car. Any guesses what she's up to? For starters, she's cutting it up. And this ain't a job for scissors. And a nice paint job will help perk things up. And good thing she has a bunch of wood to help with this project. Secure 2 blocks to a long plank and add the tire on top. It looks like a teeter-totter, but we still need some handles. And this Pop-It toy will make a nice seat. Unfortunately, the problem with teeter-totters is that they require more than one person. Aw, turns out she had a friend all along.
Wow.
Can we make a roller coaster next? Clearing the table's the easy part. Covering it, not so much. Ah, watch out! But that mask was too hot. Catch you next time. Ooh, someone's got a new fish. So let's make a new aquarium. Add some seaweed. And a lot of water. Now welcome to your new home. Oh, what's going on here? Ah, I see. We're painting with a balloon. And making dandelion shapes. Oh, your doll's gonna love this.
Wow!
Next up, we're gonna need some tights. Fill it up with stuffing. Also, get stuffing. Tie it up, and your doll's got a brand new bed. Let's tuck her in for a good night's sleep. Ooh, a candy toilet! This is a candy toilet, right? Well, if you really need a bathroom, I'm sure we can whip something up. Make it nice and soft, and add some laundry gel. Whoops, almost forgot the most important part. And its name is toilet paper. Just need to roll up a few squares. Cut them up for a bunch of rolls. These are going on the rack. Time for a walk. Oh, forgot the stairs. Let's start with an old paper stand. Make some slices and add some steps. Look, it fits right in the holes. Now for some color. And glitter. Why don't you step right up? That's enough walking for now. We could clean up all this goop, but it's more fun to scoop it up and make it into dino shapes. Now that we've got them in shape, some glue will help them keep it. Let's add a little something on top. For your new mini table. Fancy tea set sold separately.
Wow!
Oh, ice cream! Make sure to save the container. We can add some earring studs on the side. Add a white cover, and it's a bathtub. One complete with a chain and drain. Now for the faucet. And some water. And if you really want to feel fancy, why not add some rose petals? Come on, keep it coming. Ooh, a paper clip. And with a few twists, it's a new hanger. And when it comes to hangers, you need something for them to hang off of. Not to mention something to hang. Good thing we've got all these clothes around. Dreams do come true. We've got a horse. Let's customize. Why, when we're through, it'll be a horse of a different color. Or should I say, colors. The whole rainbow. With a few add-ons, it's a rocking unicorn. So let's get rocking and rolling. Careful where you step. Oh, your poor socks.
Ew.
Well, we can make some new footwear. Add some clay and make some slices. Now for some nice faux fur trimmings. Remember, if the shoe fits, wear it. Ooh, it's a brand new television! But first, an ice tray full of animals. Add glue to make some cubes. Give it time to dry, and it's our brand new TV stand and a real icebreaker. Next up, take an old wire and bend it into shape. You can make a pretty profile. Add some little lights around it. And you can really light up a room. Ooh, careful, that chair's missing a leg. Some old shoes can fill up the space. And why stop there? Cover it in shoes. It's a great excuse to go shoe shopping. Oh, they don't make shelves like they used to. Here's what to do. Get an empty shampoo bottle. Cut off one of the sides. And cover the rest with tissue paper. Some sturdy pieces of nail file will be just the shelves we need. Now cover them up with knickknacks. After all, that's what shelves are for. What a cute little washing machine. And look, a sponge. Let's cut it up. Cover it up with some soft material. And add some legs on the bottom. Now let's add something around the rim. It's a tiny seat for your tiny friends. It's always good to stay hydrated. And if you save your bottle caps, maybe add some toothpicks or sticks. Dip it in some paint. And you've got a new stool. Let's make a whole bunch. Wow, what pretty crystal earrings. If you have a bunch, lie them down and roll them up. Now pour some glitter on top. And hang up your new chandelier. Is that an old Valentine? Let's cover it up with pom-poms. And make it a new footrest. Wow, this place is really coming together. Well, no time like the present for the grand tour. All new stuff, and it's all homemade. And that was just one floor. Sure, maybe the bathroom could use a few walls. But this shows that with a little imagination and hard work, any place can become your very own dream house.